Wait, it's Vlogmas. Jingle bells. Come on. It's Vlogmas?
Queens and kings, so we are about to decorate the tree. I know you guys wondering, like, well, wait a minute, Val, didn't we just seen the dining bar over here in this location? Yes, you will be correct, you have, but this is basically where the tree started off at first. This is where it started at before I did any of the changes. So if you haven't seen that video, which is Vlogmas Day 2, go ahead and watch that video before you watch this one. So anywho, this is pretty much how the tree looked after I had to declutter everything and the kids was asleep. So I decided to go ahead and start adding ribbon, which you guys see that I have here. So this is pretty much what I'm doing here, going along, taking you guys along, because I was kind of tired of being patient waiting for Andre to wake up. So I was like, you know what, let me just do my ribbon first, and then we can do the ornaments the next day, in which that's what we're about to do. All right, Queens and Kings, so Andre and I are about to start decorating the tree. As you all see, I had to put ribbon and stuff like that on it. I did that last night while he was asleep, because I know this was pretty much tedious for me of making my bows and everything. So yeah, but this the hack that I seen on TikTok, basically a laundry basket, but I'm gonna use fabric. I think the lady used the little dusters or whatever to make it fold down to the bottom. Now you can use whatever fabric you want, that I do know for a fact, and you're gonna need a pair of scissors. So what I'm gonna do is cut out this insert part here, this round top part, and I'm gonna cut it one side of it, so therefore I can be able to open it and be able to put it up under the tree. So this is the fabric. This fabric came from Hobby Lobby. I had it for some time now. I actually was gonna make some pillows or something out of it, but I didn't use it. But when I seen that hack, I knew I was gonna use this fabric for the gold up under the bottom, just to bring some the gold there. So I'm gonna put this up under here, but I'm just pretty much just gonna tuck this on. You can glue it on there if you want to. That's up to you. I'm not gonna glue it on there because half of the time it's not gonna be seen, because once you know everything started getting around it. But I want it up under there because I like the little collar look for Christmas trees and stuff. So this is an alternative for the way you can actually make one. Woo! Easy. Since you asked, no, it wasn't as easy to put up under this tree. It wasn't easy because of the flock. I was really running away from the flock. But I would say cut a little bit more of the top off so it could be a little bit more flexible to go up under there. But it was easy. It really was easy. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. But if you have a flock tree, honey, it's going to be bad. Because, you know, you're going to have flock all in your nostrils and your head and everything else. And, honey, I had did a good wash day this day. Don't you see them curls? It's popping, baby. Ooh. So she is pretty up under there or whatever, but I do like her. I do like her. I like how she look. I like her. But I didn't care for the back. And that's what I mean by cut it a little bit more around the top. I was just too lazy to go back and do that, so therefore it can open up more. But anyways, let's start moving on to putting on some ornaments on our tree. And of course, I got Mr. Andre with me. Put it down here. No, don't put it so close. Put it down here. Because that's an empty space down there. Put it on. Why don't you get down off the basket? Put it up in there. All right, thank you. So, yeah, so these ornaments here came from Ross. The mirror ornaments, they came from Ross. I had it for a couple of years now. As you all see, I'm trying to give you guys a little glimpse here and there of me, how the tree looking, because honestly, I just wanted to do this and get it over with. Now, these crystal ones also came from Ross. I couldn't find it any more like this. I wishing and hoping that I could, but I couldn't. And once again, like I said before, if you look for any type of bling ornaments and stuff like this, go ahead, start shopping now. Now, these here came from Z Gallery, so these was a little bit expensive, but I caught them on sale though. These ornaments here came from Amazon.
These are the only ones that are different.
Okay, that was the one we're gonna put up next.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Listen, this child of mine is such a clown, honey. When he see the camera is rolling, honey, he gonna give y'all a two-step. Please believe me. Now, these ornaments here came from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to mix in a different shade of green, so I was happy that I did pick these up. Do I recommend them? Yes, I do recommend these. These are affordable. Like, you can beat that for $1.25 for these, honey. And they shatterproof too. You see, I got this little 6-year-old. He already done broke a couple of my ornaments, the brown ones, which came from Hobby Lobby. I think I got those last year when I did the gingerbread thing. You see, like every year I have a different thing. So this year nutcrackers, last year was gingerbread, and something else, something. But anywho, so I know you guys asking like, well, why are we seeing this clip here? Because, honey, I did not want to waste this footage. Now, these are the ornaments right here. These are glass ornaments. Honey, Andre dropped these and I was done and over with of decorating the tree. Like, it was over after this here. It was over. But I didn't want to get rid of this footage, so therefore the reason why I'm actually showing you guys the before and then you guys see the after. Now, this was faux snow that I want to fill in the gaps. That's pretty much as you all see here. I know I didn't want to put in gold ornaments. We thought about putting some golds in there, but I just wanted to use like little accent of different things to be gold, like the nutcrackers or the column down there underneath the tree and the wordings that I was going to put on the tree as well, like believe, joy, you know, Mary, stuff like that. So pretty much I'm using this cotton to go up in there. It's supposed to be like faux snow or whatever, so it make the tree fuller and look like snow have fell on the tree, you know. So I recommend it if you know how to put it on there properly, because if it just seems like you just throw it on there, it's just like, ugh, it don't give you that vibe. So it's more for me to fill in spaces and gaps and stuff to fill my tree out a little bit more. I like it. I love it. Actually, I really do love it. So, and it's recyclable, honey. So you can't go wrong with that. You can find this stuff here at Walmart. Okay, so now we're flipping the scene. This is where the tree have been moved because I have changed some things around my home. Of course, you guys gonna see it. So that ornament there was a DIY, which you can find on my DIY channel. This little blessed sign here came from Walmart, but I love how this ornament turned out. Don't ask me what type of ornament it is, but I just know some things came together and boom, we made an ornament. Here's the nutcrackers. You guys seen that I spray painted these, so I'm finally able to put them on the tree. They're not fully spray painted all the way though, but oh well. Here's the believe sign as well, because mostly believe is going around the home, because this house does believe, trust and believe that. How many times I said that? But yeah. So I'm adding some more nutcrackers and everything on my tree, but this is the grand finale for me. If you haven't seen this DIY, go to my DIY channel so you guys can know how to make one. And it is my tree topper, and I love her. I love it. Like, I am over the top and back to the moon, the skies, the stars, and everything. I love how this tree topper turned out. All right, queens and kings, so this is the tree over here now, pretty much where I moved everything at. You guys seen the first part of it, that it was on the opposite side of the house, which now we have it over here. So Honestly, as you see, I have taken everything off of it because for some reason it felt like it was just shoved up over here, like I guess from me moving it, and everything just it didn't look right. It didn't look right because the ornaments and stuff was put on according to how the tree was over there in that area, that which is the dining bar now. So now I just had to just take everything off and redo it. So that's the reason why you all are getting it now looking like this. Back to before. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the ornaments, well, go back and put the ornaments back on the tree, and I'll show you guys the pretty much the reveal. All right, queens and kings, so here is the new and improved tree, and I love it. I actually love the way that this turned out. I still have all the things that I had on there, but it's just for some reason I just had to rearrange this stuff. I like how the ribbon is flowing down on the tree. I added crystals on the tree, which I thought was a lovely touch of like icicle is just falling off the tree. Still have the snow in there, but I did take some of it out. So yeah, I really like this. I got my gingerbreads, my nutcrackers. They are just stuffed into the tree. I decided to use some of my everyday picks that I have here. Well, I kept these here. Those are from Z Gallery. But everything on the tree is affordable, but the breath taker for me is my tree topper. If you want to see how I made this, go check out my DIY channel because I did do a video on it. And my DIY channel is Valerie Glamorous Castle DIYs. A lot of you queens didn't know that I had another channel, which is actually my main channel, how I actually became aware of YouTube, or others became aware of me. But I love it. I love how the crystal just reflecting on the wall from the light. Just so gorgeous. But queens and kings, this is my tree. Here is the reveal. I love it. Even the decor down to the bottom up under the tree. That is so beautiful. Some of my favorite ornaments that I have on here. My newest ornament, which is a DIY too as well. Check out my channel. You'll find both of those together. But queens and kings, this is the reveal once again. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. You guys continue to be royal, and remember, queens and kings, your crown may tip, but a damn show won't fall. Bye-bye.